Slap this in for real. You're alright. I'm sorry I touched you. I didn't mean to touch you. I'm not gay.
Yeah, bro, you gotta chill on that motherfucker.
God damn it, you motherfucker.
You motherfucker, man. I didn't mean to fight that shit, man. Just chill, man. I told you excited about that, bro.
No, I didn't mean to touch you. I'm not gay.
You feel me, bro. That's why I had to chin check you, man. Chill.
I'm not worried about it.
He chin checked his ass.
Wait, you know what? I get like this.
Goddamn.
Hey, it's not chin check your ass.
He murked.
Sorry, brother.
Yo, you keep apologizing about the same shit you're doing. Chill this shit, man. Hey, chill.
No, I touched him. I didn't mean to touch you like that.
How about them you chill out, bro?
Hey, then if you do that.
Yeah, Bill fuck you up much too much of that shit. Smoking on that gas. Like the video on Cinemax movie. Bought my big boot. Damn, what did they bought my boo big? Damn, what is that?
Big boots and the big ass.
Big boots and the big ass. Goddamn, youngin. I ain't see his ass over there in the motherfucking corner.
Skillet.
Ball.
Skillet.
Ball. Skillet. Ball, weasel, neck, slick back dick. Curled ass forces.
I'm no soft ass either.
Jerry can flip the Jerry.
Come down the street with fire, cause I'm at the village.
So they're not just like they did. Well, shit, sell me some heavy shit.
Nah, I can't give it to you, cause my name on it.
Oh.
No.
Say it's stolen. I ain't gonna get caught with it.
I'm saying, say it's stolen.